3-2, solving systems algebraically. Problem one, again, you've talked about this before. There's substitution, there's elimination, and we'll soon talk about matrices on the calculator and everything else like that. But there is benefits to knowing how to do this stuff algebraically. So let's take, and when you're doing by substitution, write it next to each other. So then you get 2x plus y equals 10. Now, looking for a variable that's isolated. That's the only time I would really use substitution. So since the y is kind of by itself, go ahead and solve for that y. So you get y equals negative 2x plus 10. Okay, now over here, I don't need to do anything, but once I have y equals that, I need to take this and plug it into the other equation. That's why you have two equations. So you get 3x plus, now remember, when you substitute in, do it in parentheses. Negative 2x plus 10 equals 12. Why do I do parentheses? Because now I know I need to distribute that through. That gives me 3x plus negative 8x plus 40 equals 12. Combine like terms, 3x and negative 8x is negative 5x. Go ahead and subtract the 40 over as well. I get negative 5x equals negative 28. Divide by negative 5. I get x equals 5.6. So ugly, I hate decimals. Now, to solve for the next thing, take this, plug it right back into here, plug it in your calculator, you end up with y equals negative 1.2. It's so ugly. Problem 3 is about using elimination. Now, because they're above each other, this is kind of set up kind of nicely. Just go ahead and add them. See how they're different signs, the x's? 4x and negative 4x, just add them. Those are going to cancel. I end up with 5y equals 25. Divide by 5. I get y equals 5. Now, it's kind of nice. Now you have just pick a problem. So I'm going to use the first one because x is positive. So 4x plus 2, and you have to substitute whatever you found for y in there, and that equals 9. 4x plus 10 equals 9. Subtract your 10 over, 4x equals negative 1. X equals negative 1/4. Okay, so there's my two answers. So my answer to this problem then would be negative 1/4, comma 5. Problem 5 is kind of nice. I want to know what the solutions of systems are. There's technological glitch. So you're going to see that 0, 0, and 0 equals negative, 0 equals 16, I'm sorry. So I really want to focus on those two things. If 0 equals 0, obviously that's true. Okay, so if that's the case, then it's infinite number of solutions. Okay, infinite solutions. Okay, if 0 equals 16, well, obviously 0 doesn't equal 16, so no solution. Simple as that.